Wait before you make any decisions, because you will want to be living in this wonderful new construction home, and it is on living water.
Awesome new construction. Superb curb appeal. Enter into this welcoming open floor plan with stained concrete flooring, recessed dimmable lights in all bedrooms and living area. The kitchen has white cabinets with a lot of storage space and beautiful granite countertops. This home offers it all with a smartphone-controlled sprinkler system, front entry touchscreen keypad, spray foam insulation, and a garage door that is 8 feet tall, which is taller than the standard. The master bedroom is a great size, and master bathroom has a 5x5 walk-in shower.
You can make this beautiful home your haven. We're in South Haven. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.